Hello, today's tutorial is all about MariaDB. MariaDB is a derivative of the MySQL Relational Database Management System. It was developed by the original MySQL creators in response to concerns following the Oracle's acquisition of MySQL. This tutorial offers a brief introduction to MariaDB. So first, let's open the MySQL client MariaDB. Once this is opened, you will be asked to input your password. So let's input the password first. Once the password entered is correct, a welcome message should appear indicating a successful connection with MariaDB, with of course the version number being displayed. So we have here the welcome message. Welcome to MariaDB Monitor. And then we have here the server version 11.6.2. You can also display the different content of the client commands or of the client by typing help. In here, all the commands which will be utilized or which will be used when you are using MariaDB will be displayed. You can also access the server side by typing help and then contents. So now all the contents or the categories from the server is already listed. The example utilizes root access, but any user with privileges can access the MariaDB prompt and execute operations. If you wanted to disconnect from MariaDB, you can do that by typing the exit command or by using the exit command. So here we type the exit in order for us to disconnect with MariaDB. Next tutorial will be creating databases and database tables in MariaDB.